You are watching my YouTube channel, GEMS CREST. Today I have a new interesting video for you, and the video about hardness of the gemstones. And the different gemstones, have the different hardnesses. And according to the Mohs scale, I will tell you about everything, the hardness of the gemstones. And mostly we use in the gemstone, in the gemology, hardness according to the Mohs scale. And the Mohs scale is the easiest way to weigh the gemstone, what the category, what the hardness of the gemstone. So I will talk about the Mohs scale and the hardness of the stone. And the hardness of the stone is from 1 to 10. And it's very easy to know, but it's a big chapter, it's a big story of different stones, and almost more than 200 stones are circulating and being traded in the market that have different kind of colors, different families and the species, and as well the hardness is that important, the subject today I am going to discuss about. But here I told you the 1 to 10. What is the 1 then? What we talk about, that 1 is 10 is understood that 10 is the hardness of gemstone, the highest level of hardness of the gemstone. But the 1 is what? 1 is very soft stones, and always used in the cosmetics, in the soap, in different materials that we made with that powder, talcum powder, also made by this soap stone also known as, and as well soft stone, soap stone, different names in the market. But these kind of stones having the hardness only 1. Even you can break by your hands, very simply, easy. And the number 2 hardness is the stones that we always also using in the industry, that is marble, onyx, granite, that kind of material that we're using in the constructions as construction material. So they have the material and also the common rocks we found on the mountains, or the mountains itself having the hardness 2 on the Mohs scale. So these all hardnesses are being used as industrials. So more than 3 or less than 3 are in the industry, more than 3 is the gemstone. So it means that more than 3, starting from 3 to 10, that is the gemstones category, and less than 3, that is the industrial stones category. So we will not talk about the industrial stones, we will only talk about the stones that are gemstones. And more than 3 on Mohs scale, that is all stones are gemstones. You can use them either this way or this way, because they have the hardness not so much that we can use them easily in the industry stone. We can use in the gemstone category, so we can use here or there, there's no matter. But the hardness 4 is a little critical and cannot be used in the industry, always used in the gemstones. So more than 5, these are almost quartz family stones, and we found them easily on the earth and anywhere. The maximum semi-precious stones are the silicate minerals, known as silicate minerals, and as well they are belonging to family of, or the species of, quartz families. So quartz always in different colors, in different shapes, and in different crystals, and we can find most of the semi-precious stones in the silicate minerals. So they all are the quartz family gemstones. So they have the hardness, quartz family stones always having the hardness on the Mohs scale about 5 to 6.5, not more than, I think, 6 to 6.5, because more than 6.5 or 7, there are other categories of gemstones that we will talk. But from 5 to 6.5, these all store are silicate minerals and belonging to the quartz family, all these stones, but in different shapes, different colors, different crystal structures, and in different forms you will find them. And the 7 up to 7, and the 7 and itself 7.5, that stones are in the topazes family. Topaz itself is a stone that having the hardness 7 to 7.5. So very close to the precious stone, that is emerald stone. So the emerald family stones, all stones are having the hardness like 8 on Mohs scale, and these family stones are, I think, 6-7 stones are in this family, in this species of beryl family. The single color, that is emerald color, green color, is known as the emerald. Its color is green. So other colors are different in form, and they have the different color, and on the basis of the color they have different names, like goshenite, like beryl, like aquamarine, and other stones also in this family. So the next step, if we talk about the 9 hardness, these all 3 stones, that is sapphire, that is ruby, that is corona, the single family stones, and the same species, same family, only 3 stones we have in the hardness 9 on the Mohs scale. And the next is very, very hard. Even the hardest ever on earth in the real or the natural thing is the diamond. That is 10 hardness, and very, very hard, can cut any stone, any metal easily. And always we cut the glasses in the industry with the tip of a pen that is having the diamond on the pinpoint. So we can cut easily with that the glass. So that is also used in the industry for the purpose of cutting the glasses. So other uses of diamond also have in the industry also. So the hardness 10 is the last hardness of the natural stones. And the moissanite having the 9.5, and I would like to talk about also that because it's not the real material in the market right now, because it's the traces can be found in the earth, but as well it's found in the meteorite. And meteorite, is the alien stones landed in the earth, and we found sometimes very rarely, and the scientists and the geologists already made the imitation of this material. That is silicon carbide, and after heating and after not sufficient hard working can be made easily in the form of brilliance like a diamond, that is known as moissanite. So these all stones having the hardness 1 to 10, and actually we use from 3 to 10 in the gemstone. So thank you very much for being with us. If you have any doubt, any insufficient information that you would like to ask me, you can ask me in the WhatsApp and I will reply you on WhatsApp. So thank you very much again, and please subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell icon button. If you want to purchase real stone from us, you can approach in the WhatsApp also. Thank you very much.